Dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem on your Instagram uninspected or occurred. So how you can also fix it. So now for fixing it, first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, if it still has the error, so you can also just try to check it to fix it in another way. So just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here Wi-Fi. So just open Wi-Fi. Just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after you can try to open mobile data or cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a second and just turn it off. So after you can try to go to the general, in the general just go down, just tap on shutdown, slide the power off, wait a second and just power the phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to upgrade your Instagram app. So just go to App Store, just go to Search tab. In Search tab, just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.